Hi there, this is Tahmina Akhtar Tuli. Today we are gonna make a conversation on the great tastes on the food. Meet my friend.
Hi there, this is Mustafizur Rahman. So let's get started. Okay.
How do you like the food?
It's tastes really great. Did you cook it?
Yes, I made it this afternoon. Have you had that before?
No, this is my first time, but I would like more.
Okay. Would you like some soup then?
Sure, but what kind is it?
Tomato and rice.
Oh, but this is my first time, and how does it taste?
Do you wanna taste it?
Yeah,
It's
sure.
really good.
Okay. Hmm.
What do you think?
It's great. Wow, it's good. Did you cook this also?
Yes.
Okay. I think you are really good cook. So I have a question.
Yes, sure.
Did you study cooking in the school?
No, I learn by myself. I have a
Okay.
good cookbook
Okay.
that I read when I have time.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And dear friends, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel and please join with our Facebook group and like our Facebook page. And please stay with English with Sojib. Ta-da!